Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Lexie. If you're not, well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial on this very girly glam look that I created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then without further ado, let's go on with the tutorial. So as always, I already started with my brows, then I'll be priming my lid with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I'll be first blending it out with my finger, and then I'll be using a blending brush for the outer part of the eye where it's closest to the brow bone. Then I'll be going in my Morphe 35B palette and using that really bright pink color they have as my transition shade and really blending it out in circular motions. Then I'll be using that magenta shade they have and pushing the eyeshadow on the inner and outer third of the eye. This is where we will begin the halo eye effect. From the Modern Renaissance palette, we'll be using the shadow Love Letter to really deepen up the outer and inner third of the eye and then diffusing that color with a blending brush. Then I'll be using both the dark purples in the palette to give the look a bit more depth and then diffusing it again with the same brush. Then finally, I'll be adding a little bit of black eyeshadow to really give the look more dimension and then blending it as much as I can with a blending brush. So then I'll be cutting the crease only on the center of the lid so that our pigment after could be very intense. Then I'll be using Forever Lit from the Beige and Nicole Guerriero palette. I'm sorry I'm not showing you a lot of clips, I totally didn't notice that I was out of frame. Then I'll be adding a generous amount of mascara using the Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. Now to prime the face, I'll be using my Too Faced Hangover X Primer before applying any foundation. It's been such a long time since I've used this foundation, but I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And first, I'll be distributing this product with a foundation brush. I'm using the Sigma F60, and then I'll be blending it with a beauty blender. For my concealer, I'll be using my Ride or Die Tarte Shaptape concealer and then placing that product on my under eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead to really highlight those areas. To really set everything in place, I'll be using my Airspun translucent powder. To bronze up the face, I'll be using Java and Havana from the ABH Contour Kits, and I did notice my foundation was a bit light on me, so I am going to try to warm up the face as much as I can with the Sigma F40 brush. Then I'll be going back to that magenta color for my bottom eyeshadow and first placing that color with a Morphe M432 brush and then diffusing that color with a Sigma E70 brush. For blush, I'll be using my MAC Cosmetics in the shade Mocha. And then I'm going to be putting some bottom mascara on my bottom lashes. For setting spray, I'll be using my MAC Fix Plus. And then for highlight, I'll be using Forever Lit as well. I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys the color. I did break the pan a couple days ago, so yeah. For lips, I'm going to be using the Beige liquid lipstick in the color Craft. And finally, that's it for this very girly, fun, colorful glam that I created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much.